Yo, tech fans, Samsung just inked a massive $16.5 billion deal to supply chips for Tesla's AI revolution. Is this a game changer for both giants? Welcome to GadInsider, hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this historic partnership. Samsung announced a $16.5 billion contract to provide Tesla with cutting-edge 2nm chips through 2033. This deal's a big win for Samsung's foundry business and Tesla's AI ambitions. Want to know what's inside? Keep watching. This long-term agreement, worth 7.6% of Samsung's 2024 revenue, will see Samsung produce Tesla's next-gen AI 6 chips at its new Texas facility. Elon Musk says it's key for Tesla's AI advancements, powering future innovations. The deal's estimated to bring in $1.9 billion annually, boosting Samsung's struggling chip division. Samsung's 2nm tech stealing Tesla from TSMC is a major coup. TSMC dominates the logic chip market, but this contract shows Samsung's closing the gap. Analysts call it a potential game changer, with Samsung's shares jumping 3.5% in Seoul after the news. This deal strengthens Samsung's global semiconductor cred. This partnership isn't just about money, it's a strategic win for Samsung to reclaim market share and a boost for Tesla's AI-driven future. Running through 2033, it could reshape the chip industry's competitive landscape. Is Samsung now a serious rival to TSMC? With Samsung's Texas plant firing up and Tesla's AI 6 chips on the horizon, this deal's set to make waves. Stay tuned for more as both companies push the tech frontier. What's your take on this partnership? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Samsung's $16.5 billion Tesla chip deal. Are you hyped for Tesla's AI 6 chips or Samsung's big win? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.